Now I can actually go through and change the variation according to the step. So you remember I was in number 1, if you've looked at the previous video, and I'd allocated these notes and this variation. I can just check it by quickly sort of twiddling the little dials of style and variation. I'm going to keep number 1, as it was. Number 2, I'm going to change a little bit. I'm going to do 2.4, and I'll see what it sounds like later. Number 3, I'm going to keep it. Number 4, I'm going to change it to 2.4. Let's just check number 3 stayed as, let's go 1.4. So number 1 is going to be 1.4. Number 2 is going to be 2.4. Number 3 is going to be 1.4. Number 4 is going to be 2.4. Number 5 is going to be 1.4. Number 6 is going to be 2.4. Number 7 is going to be 1.4. Ooh, that was number 6. I've got to check. So 5.4, 6, 2.4, 7, 1.4, and 8, 2.4. Okay, so if you followed that, you could see I was just twiddling that style. Let's see what happens when we press play now. I like that. That's really cool. So just as a recap, I go into the step that I want, change the style or variation for each one. Go through the step, change the style and variation. Keep going through. Once I've finished, just as a reminder, if something's flashing, it means I need to do something or get out. So I press it and I'm out.